What's up YouTube, it's Wes here, and today we're doing a accessory review roundup for the DJI Osmo Pocket. With the holiday quickly approaching, I thought now would be a good time to talk to you guys about some of the accessories I own, the price points on these accessories, and then at the very end kind of let you guys know what accessories I think you should or shouldn't get. Now, the first accessories that I want to go over would be the DJI Expansion Kit, which comes with a scroll wheel, mounting adapter, and a Wi-Fi module. The scroll wheel lets you control the gimbal itself, lets you toggle it from left or right, gives you some additional options. The mounting adapter, I think this is a product that a must-have product. Once you snap it onto the DJI Osmo Pocket, you can mount it onto any accessory that you use with your GoPro. And the Wi-Fi module, which I think should have already come built into the DJI Osmo Pocket, but that's another story, allows you to control your Osmo Pocket, start recording, get a live preview from that screen, and then lets you get into some of the options and see it clearly. This by itself is about $69. Everything here is $109. So I'll go ahead and put these off to the side. The next thing on my list was the DJI Extension Pole. Retails for about $69. Now, the DJI Osmo Pocket has a narrow field of view, and this extension pole allows you to kind of get your Osmo Pocket out a little bit further from you. Allows you to control the gimbal. Has a couple different function buttons. Has a clip for your cell phone. Now, if you want to be able to control your Osmo Pocket with your cell phone or get a live preview there, you either have to run a long cable all the way down to your cell phone, or you need to have the Wi-Fi module. However, if you want to get good crisp audio, you won't be able to use your phone here. So you'll have the Osmo Pocket in here, and then this has a data or connection port on it, and then you would stick the audio adapter to the bottom of the Osmo Pocket, and then connect up your mic up here, and so you'd lose the functionality of being able to see anything on your phone. Again, this is about $69. Something I thought I'd be using a lot more, but I haven't used as much since I got it. The next thing on the list would be the DJI Audio Adapter at $39. I think this is a pretty cool product. I like that I'm able to connect it up to the DJI Osmo Pocket so easily. Seems a little flimsy when it's at the bottom, but again, you're able to hook up an external mic and get much better audio. So this retails for about $39. I think it's a product you should definitely consider getting if you want to vlog or do any types of product reviews with the Osmo Pocket. Next thing on my list would be the PGY Tech camera interface, or I guess the mounting adapter. I really like this adapter, but you kind of have to use it with the DJI's official mounting adapter, so it kind of goes hand in hand with that, or at least that's how I've been using it. And I always seem to mount this upside down, but I'll give you guys a quick preview of what that looks like. So I go ahead and slide it in here. Lock it down. And I throw this on. And then it has a space for the Wi-Fi module, and has a slot in the back. So I've been using it. I use it in this configuration the most, and then I'm able to connect up some external battery to it, control it with my phone, see it with my phone or whatever. And so I really like the PGY Tech camera interface or mounting adapter, and this retails for about $18. One last thing about it, it comes with this kind of quick connect, so it kind of slides. It doesn't screw in like a normal like GoPro adapter. It kind of slides in, pops into a little pinhole, and you can lock it down. And it has like, two different levels of locking. So it locks there and then it locks again, and that's super secure and tight. So really like this little product. And then it comes with, two different adapters. One that kind of sits in the DJI Osmo Pocket's interface port, and so you can mount it that way as well. So pretty cool little product. And again, that's about $18. The next thing would be the Polar Pro tripod adapter. So they've made a lot of things that that will work with the Wi-Fi adapter, because it's such a needed product for the DJI Osmo Pocket. And so this kind of allows you to slide it right over the Wi-Fi module, and then you can connect up a power source, so it has that opening there. And again, this is the Polar Pro tripod adapter for about $19. Next thing on my list would be the HPC Hard Carrying Case for $13. While I like the idea of the Osmo Pocket being able to be portable and being thrown in your pocket, I like to carry it in a nice little hard case. I throw it in here. I have a space for my Wi-Fi module, the mounting adapter, and the scroll wheel. Then I have this pocket up here for my other accessories, my memory cards or whatnot, and this is about $13. Hard shell, I think it does a good job, and I like using it. So it's a product that I definitely like. The next thing would be the PGY Tech Osmo Pocket phone holder for $34. I recently got this. It's really compact, kind of folds down, sits in your pocket sits in your pocket or your shirt pocket, however you want to carry it. The Osmo Pocket sits in here, your phone goes over here, and then you can slide over your phone. You slide over your phone into the Osmo Pocket, and now you have it on this adapter. And what I like to use it for is I put the Osmo Pocket in here, plug in the audio adapter, connect up my external mic here, and now I have a nice large screen to see my product. I'm controlling the Osmo Pocket from my phone, and then I have the mic up top, so now I'm getting good audio. I'm seeing exactly what I'm looking at, and I think this whole combination here works really well. And again, if you're into product reviews, vlogging, or you just want a better way to capture events, I think this is the way to go for $34. And then it also has a 2 1/4 mounting port at the bottom, so pretty good product. This next thing would be the PGY Tech Osmo Pocket Gimbal Protector. I already have it on here. It retails for about $9. Really like it. I slide it onto my Osmo Pocket pretty frequently. A lot of times I'll just have it sitting on my desk with just this on it. I feel like this offers pretty decent protection at $9. I really like it. So a nifty little product. The next thing would be something that's a little bit more universal. It's the square Jellyfish tripod for $8. Pretty universal, small footprint. I can kind of throw it onto any extension rod or grip that I have. And when I'm ready to set down the Osmo Pocket or that grip, I have this to put it on. It adds a little bit of extra length, and it's pretty sturdy, so I like it, and it's $8. The next thing, and if you've seen any of my videos, you've probably seen this in it, would be the Wasabi camera grip for $24 with 6,000 milliamp battery inside. I'll mount the Osmo Pocket in here, throw this on top. You know, it doesn't look too huge. Run the cable from here all the way up to the Osmo Pocket. I can film for hours, for a whole day without having any issues. The Wasabi camera grip retails for about $24. I really like it. It's a product that I use pretty consistently with my DJI Osmo Pocket, with my Action, or with my GoPro. So it's something I think you guys should definitely consider. All right, so let's bring everything back in with what I think that you guys should get and shouldn't get. First thing that I want to bring in would be the Expansion Kit. Okay, although it retails for $109, I think you should go ahead and get it because of the functionality and all the different things that you get with it. For $69, this isn't worth it alone, but for all the things combined at $109, not too bad. You get a whole bunch of additional features and functions, so I think that's one product that I would definitely recommend. The next thing would be the audio adapter. I'm really into getting really good audio. I want to capture people's voices or when I'm doing product reviews or whatnot, so I think this is something that you guys should definitely get. The next thing that I think you guys should get is the PGY Tech camera interface or mounting adapters for $18. I really like that. Tons of functionality and features there. The next thing would be the PGY Tech Osmo Pocket phone holder. I really like this product here. And last but not least would be the square Jellyfish tripod for $8 and the Wasabi camera grip for $24. Really like all of these things. Those are things that I use pretty consistently. Oh, sorry. And the HPC Hard Carrying Case. I like to throw my Osmo Pocket in there. And of course, what is this? This is the the gimbal protector for $9. All of these things here are things that I use pretty consistently. What I'm not using very much is the extension rod for it, and I'm not using the Polar Pro tripod adapter very often. Everything here is about $300. And right now the DJI Osmo Poket by itself is being sold for $399 when it was about $329 a couple weeks ago. So I'm not sure if the prices went up for the holiday season, but I definitely do like the Osmo Poket. It records low light footage surprisingly well. I'm not sure why. I don't understand it. But other than that, if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any comments or anything, just put it below. Give the video a thumbs up if you found what I kind of shared with you helpful. Other than that, I'm out. Peace.